What's up everyone? I'm Tim Oliphant. I'm a professional artist and I've been drawing Ninja Turtles since I was just 4 years old. I've done a lot of the 1990s realistic movie look of the Turtles. I've also done more of a comic look, but today I want to focus on the classic cartoon look, the original one I grew up with. With some practice, you too can perfect this signature look of the Turtles. Let's get started. We're going to start with 3 key reference points. The first is going to be about 2/3 of the way up. The second will be about 1 inch from the top of the paper. And the third will be 1.5 inches, 2 inches from the bottom. And this is going to be a lot of practice in ovals here. So we're starting with a large oval for the lower portion, the mouth of the turtle. And then above, kind of completing a figure 8, a smaller oval. Erasing the center, kind of the overlapped points, and you can already see the outline kind of coming together. Now I'm adding the bubbly shape of the lower portion. Ninja Turtles don't really have noses, which a lot of people have pointed out is odd, but smaller oval in the center here. Doing the mouth accordingly, darkening the edges. This line is about halfway from the nose to the top of the head. Lightly putting in the ovals for the eyes, each slanted accordingly, outlining the mask, coming back, carefully darkening the ovals of the eyes. And I've got my eyes a touch too close here, but it doesn't have to be perfect. If you get it close, this will turn out surprisingly well. Now I'm picking up but adjusting the top of the head here, darkening it in. Adding a little line weight and emphasizing the edges. Darkening the eyes, and I'm leaving a tiny highlight on the top left of each dark oval, excuse me. Now we're doing roughly a circle there for the tied knot. 2 light ovals. Adding kind of teardrop tips to the bandana. I'm quickly signing my name here, but we're not done. We're going to add some Sharpie and really make this look official. So the Sharpie you can perfect, and you don't have to use Sharpie. You could use pen or even just go dark, very dark with your pencil, especially a softer pencil will work best. I'm varying my line weight. So this is a 2-dimensional drawing. It doesn't really give it depth, but it just makes it look more visually appealing. Extra careful on these eyes here. So, and keep in mind, this video is sped up quite a bit. Don't think that I did this in like 2 minutes. I also practiced multiple times. So practice is the key to drawing. Try not to get frustrated. And with pencil, you can always erase. And speaking of, I'm now cleaning up all of my remaining pencil marks, leaving just the Sharpie. Nothing like a happy Ninja Turtle face, right? Thanks so much for checking out my video and my artwork. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I really appreciate the support. You're helping me live my dream. Thank you.